Hello and welcome to the Chakra Way Meditation Podcast. I'm Roseanne, your host and guide. And in today's meditation, we're going to be inspired by the yoga class that I've been teaching all week. We've been working to soften the heart, and so often in yoga class, if we are working to activate and open the heart chakra, we turn to back bends. And to be honest, I simply didn't feel like doing back bends this week. As you may hear a little bit in my voice, I've been a little unwell. My energy was calling for a softer practice, an invitation to open the heart with tenderness rather than with strength or exertion. So we've been using restorative poses, gentle heart-opening poses, and the breath to bring energy into the heart space. And this led on to a meditation that I bring you today, using the breath to activate the chakras. I ask that you envisage your energy centers in a way that works for you. A healthy chakra spins in a clockwise direction, and you could see them as pools of swirling light or water. Perhaps you may see them as little windmills, like those colourful handheld ones that we had as a child from the fair. Allow the image of your chakras to come naturally as the meditation unfolds. And please sit upright for this meditation, either on a chair or seated comfortably and supported on the floor. So let's settle the body. It may be useful to have a support behind your back so your spine is beautifully upright. But however you're sitting, bring your hands over your knees with your arms strong and straight, and find an alertness within the spine. Feel your base, your sitting bones grounded and steady. Spine lifting up to the crown of the head, and have an awareness of the lift and length of your spine before gently releasing your hands and allowing the backs of your hands to rest on your thighs. Join the thumb and forefinger on each hand to bring a quiet focus. So let's connect with the breath. Become aware of the natural flow of your breath, the soft stream of your breath. Feel the depth, the volume, the temperature. Bring your attention into your heart center and notice the expansion of the heart space with each inhale. As you exhale, allow your body to gently soften around the spine, which stays tall, lifting to the crown of the head. And invite the breath to begin to deepen. Do not allow in any tension, any gripping, any hardness to the body or breath. Just expand the breath gradually, naturally, so your breath is sustainable, pleasurable, interesting. So now we're going to bring a gentle awareness to each chakra. Firstly to the root, your base, and here visualize a warm red energy radiating a sense of safety, grounding and belonging. And now draw your attention upwards to the sacral chakra. See an orange pool filled with gentle creativity and emotional warmth. Now up to the radiant yellow spiral at the solar plexus, and allow this spiral to glow with gentle confidence and inner power. Arriving at the center of your chest, envisage a lush green or soft pink glow of energy. This is the heart, the seat of compassion, love, and self-care. Imagine the glow expanding with each inhale and softening and gently pulsing with each exhale. Invite in feelings of warmth and self-compassion to rise as the energy swirls in a gentle rhythmic dance. Moving upwards, see a serene blue vibration at your throat. This energy filled with soft clarity and honest expression. And at the third eye, visualize a deep indigo. Imagine it stirring insights, wisdom, and inner guidance, like a gentle mist that clears away confusion. Finally, imagine a luminous violet, pure white light shining at the crown of your head, connecting you to higher consciousness and universal energy. So now you have connected with each chakra, it is time to be purposeful with the breath. Gently deepen your breath and bring your attention to your root, to your base. And with your next inhalation, draw your breath upwards through each chakra to the crown, and exhale, flowing down from the crown back to the root. You can create an even breath by gently counting through the chakras. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then the exhale, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, once you have found your rhythm, adjust the flow of your breath slightly and imagine the inhale is traveling up through the right hand side of your spine, gently touching the edges of each chakra, inviting them to begin to spin. And as you exhale, the breath travels down the left hand side of your spine, again touching the outer edges of each chakra. Each breath brings a steady, gentle movement and turning of the chakras. Each breath is soft, nurturing, gentle. find a soft rhythm that allows each chakra to be spinning at its optimum rate, finding perfect balance, slowing those that have been moving too fast, and bringing the slower moving energy centers up to the perfect speed. Follow this movement of energy for a moment longer. Gently center your awareness now into your heart center and allow your breath to fall into a soft, natural rhythm. Each inhale, your heart opens and expands. With each exhale, your heart softens. When you feel ready, bring some movement back into your fingers, your hands, and place your hands over your heart. Feel the softness of your heart and smile. You can be so grateful for your beautiful heart. Let it shine. And in your own time, carefully open your eyes and bring yourself back into your space. Om Shanti. Thank you for joining me today on the Chakra Way Meditation Podcast. I'm really interested to know how this visualized breath work affects you, and I know that when I came up with this idea, or I must have heard it somewhere before, but when I first started practicing this, I found myself slightly uneven, kind of leaning over towards the left somewhat, but my students didn't. So I realized that was because my left side, my feminine yin side, was slightly weaker, and that told me something. The other thing that this meditation can tell you is very much where your energy is lacking, because if you're not able to connect with a certain chakra, this will tell you that it is probably not got as much energy as it might have. But the overall benefit of this practice is to balance your chakras, to really connect with these energy centers and get them spinning. And if you find that you want to go even deeper, then of course I'm going to recommend a chakra reading, because this will give you the absolute infinite tiny details of what is going on in each of your chakras and give you the solutions on how to get yourself back into equilibrium and balance. So if you want to get in touch with me, you can at at my website, chakra-way.com. So until next time, take very good care of yourself, sending you so much love. Bye now.